What is up, Goon Squad? I'm going to start the day off by pretty much running you guys through the builds, giving you an update on each of them because I know a lot of you guys have been asking questions about the Oscar Mike edition behind me and just what's going on with the white Rubicon, and just give you a run through of all the builds that we got. I forgot to mention the forklift build. We got to pretty much throw some 40s on it. No, I'm just kidding. Onto the Oscar Mike. We did do the body work on it. I actually didn't do it, but my brother has been doing it. That's why I haven't been recording it much. But the quarter panel is fixed. It's primed. It just needs to be wet sanded to smooth it down and get it ready for paint. So I'm really not going to be recording much of this Jeep. I'll just be doing updates on it to kind of keep you guys updated on how it goes, because I'm not the one actually working on it. My brother has been working on it. I just help out once in a while when I got some time. All right, guys, let me take you guys inside this Oscar Mike. Let me show you guys what's going on. Oh, it's a different door, so I'm gonna have to unlock it from the other side. Whoa, it's a mess in here. So he's got to put together the whole interior. I don't know if I'm gonna record that, but I will keep you guys updated. I'll probably do another update once he gets the interior put together, and also when he starts to get it painted. So that's about it for the Oscar Mike. We got a lot of putting together to do and prepping for paint. So that's pretty much it. Onto the Rubicon here. It's clean, it's looking good. We got it cleaned up. I have posted it up for sale, so it's gonna get sold possibly when it warms up a little bit more. I got a bottom dollar, so I'm not gonna let it go for any less. It's looking good. That's gonna be it for this Rubicon. It's cleaned up, it's sitting around. I drive it around every once in a while, and we got it up for sale, so it's up on Craigslist. If you're interested, Chattanooga, Tennessee, check it out. It's gonna be an awesome summer vehicle and all year round vehicle because it's a hardtop. So guys, if you want it, check it out. You know the drill. All right, guys, on the 2017 F250 build, I don't know if we are gonna sell it yet, or we might just keep it, build it a little bit more, but we do got a small loan on this thing of $1 million. We did borrow some money on this build, so that's why we're not able to build the shop just yet. So guys, please visit my GoFundMe and still help out on the shop build. We appreciate all the support, and also if you want to become a Patreon, you can support us there. All right, for the F250, we did order a steering stabilizer because it is kind of vibrates at a certain speed. So I looked it up, and that could be the culprit there. So we got a dual setup. Yeah. A dual setup steering stabilizer for that, and we're gonna install it. Okay, I wanted to talk about kind of why we chose this wheel setup. So we didn't want to go too big on the rim, so 20-inch is right there perfect where it looks good and the ride quality is still comfortable. And we also went with all-terrain tires. Now these are a Turo 35 by 1250 by 20, which they ride really smooth. They feel like stock and they're real comfortable, guys, so we like the ride. And we also going to be doing a lot of highway riding, so that's why we went with the all-terrains. We're not going to be slinging mud or chilling in mud or anything like that, so we went ahead and went with the all-terrains to get that smooth ride quality and make sure it's not too noisy. All right, guys, so we are probably going to be putting this truck on the market because we did use a loan for it. This is not all cash money. I wish I was that rich. We're going to throw it up on Craigslist and possibly Auto Trader and see what happens from there. All right, guys, we have made a huge mistake. We have been driving with the tow mirrors in.
Guys, so we are going to start working on this Rubicon today. We're going to start sanding it, tub, hardtop, and we're going to be waiting on our parts still to come in. So we're going to start sanding on it, getting the hardtop ready for primer, because we are going to paint this the same color as the Jeep.
All right, guys, so we're actually heading to the store right now. We're heading to Harbor Freight. If you know what that is, it's a pretty good place. Not the highest of quality of tools, but they got a good prices, and we're going to look for a DA sanding air tool. The van is dope. The van is dope.
$34, $59. We want that cheap.
Pneumatic. I think that's how you say it. I think the N is silent. Dang, they got some nice ones actually. So this is gonna help us sand that hardtop. So they got some decent stuff. May not last long, but
wait, this one looks like it comes with that yellow pad.
All right, so we have made a decision. Instead of this one, we're gonna get this one because it is instead of the hook and loop, it's just a regular pad to stick on. So that's gonna work for us.
And we're gonna need a tip.
All right, we are out. We got the tool. Now we're gonna go get some sandpaper. All right, guys, there's one place that we do gotta stop by before we get home, and that place is a unique, very unique place. I think it's the only one. Is this Chattanooga?
Yeah.
Only place in Chattanooga like this, so check it out. Where are the donuts at? There's usually like hundreds of donuts on the conveyor belts, which are right there actually.
They're coming in hot.
There's only one rule when eating a donut. Over here at the Krispy Kreme, you gotta wear the Krispy Kreme crown. Go ahead and cop it. Ooh, they're fresh. I can have one too. Alright, so we just picked up some sandpaper. It's back there somewhere, just rolling around. And we actually got some exciting news, some very exciting news. Can you guys guess what it is?
New build.
What do you guys think it's gonna be? I guess we're just gonna have to show them when we get to the auction to pick it up.
Yep.
Alright guys, so we just won a new build and we're gonna go pick it up tomorrow. So we're getting prepped, we're getting the dolly hooked up and the hitch. And for now, we're gonna work on the TJ over here. So we got this orbital sander, we got the sandpaper, and we're gonna start sanding this hardtop. Before we go any further, we're gonna tape up the windows, just make sure we don't scuff it. And I'm up top, sanding with this 180 on the block to kind of get it down a little bit further. And then he's gonna run over it with the 400 grit. Alright guys, so we also removed this rear glass so we could sand in this crack here, this crevice. We got the top, the sides, and that's the only thing that's left is this crevice here. So we're not gonna get to priming it today, but we are gonna prep it for tomorrow. So we're gonna put that rear glass back on. But tomorrow's gonna be an exciting day, guys, so we're gonna have to pause this for now. And then tomorrow we're gonna go pick up the new build, guys. Stay tuned for the next build. It's gonna be awesome.
Guess what it is? Write down below in the comments what you think the build is.
And also, if you follow me on Instagram, you're gonna get the inside scoop of that because I might just throw a little post on my Instagram story, guys. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, be sure to do that right now at goonzquad.
goonzquad.com.
Also, guys, be sure to check out goonzquad.com to copy some merch, support your boys, because we are going to go worldwide. We're getting big, we're expanding, guys, so be sure to get that merch while it's cheap, while it's on sale, and you know what to do. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. We had another great day as usual. We got the hardtop sanded down. We didn't get it primed like we wanted to because we had to run to the store. We had to find a few things out because we are getting ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow we are picking up a new build. It's about a 3-hour drive. So we're going to leave early in the morning. We're going to go pick it up. Then hopefully tomorrow we'll get some more work done to this Jeep here. We're going to try to prime that hardtop.
Go like and subscribe. Go support us if you haven't on our GoFundMe or on our Patreons. It will help us a lot to make better content in our future shop build.
Go to goonzquad.com, check out the merch, get you a hat. Be sure to support your boys, so be sure to follow me on Instagram, and then I might just post something up on my story, guys. Stay tuned, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.